how to hide WhatsApp chats. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the WhatsApp on your App Store or your Google Play Store and update it. Make sure that you have the latest version downloaded on your device. Now simply go to your WhatsApp chats and look for the group chat option available there. So simply tap on the group chat. After you tap on the group chat, tap on the group icon available on top. And then you will get to see lock chat option available there. Here you can see you can lock and hide your chat. Simply continue with the process. So after you continue with the process, you will see you will have to enter your iPhone passcode or Face ID in order to see the chats. So now it is officially logged. So you can see the lock chat option available in the top. So when you tap on it, you will have to enter your iPhone passcode or it will ask for a Face ID. And only after that you can see your chats. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.